Hello, this is Jammal and Baba. Today is October 24th, 2023. Let's tackle a song by Abibu Oluwa. It called for Raji Etti. Raji Etti is from Lagos Island on the fourth settlement. You guys remember I told you guys the first settlement is Isaleko. The second settlement, Ologbowo. The third settlement, Popo. The fourth settlement, Okofaji. And Okofaji included Anikontamo, Agarawu. And inside there is also Itafaji. And eastward bound of it is Okepopo. Raji Etti was from the Agbole Etti at Okepopo. You're going to find some interesting historical stamps in this song. And fìlà tó dé tí Raji Etti ní, ẹ̀wù tó wọ̀ tí Raji Etti ní. Raji Etti ọkọ táwa Júdà o. Why is fìlà tó dé àti ẹ̀wù tó wọ̀ is Raji Etti? Why? Fìlà tó dé tí Raji Etti ní, ẹ̀wù tó wọ̀ tí Raji Etti ní. So let's peel the onion. As Lagos township begin to blossom, it started attracting people from the hinterland. What's Lagos Township? Lagos Township constituted by the 5 settlements on Lagos Island. Isaleko number 1, Ologbo number 2, Popo number 3, Okofaji number 4, Ekpetedo number 5. Those are the 5 settlements on Lagos Island. Then, on the mainland, or outside of that Lagos Island, you have Apapa, you have Ido Island, and you have Ebutimeta. You had that to Lagos Island 5 settlement, and everything that went eastward towards the ocean was called Lagos Township. As of 1911, it was classified as Level 1 Township under the colonial government structure. So people started coming from outside. A lot of these people came from the modern day Kwara State. And they'll come, like new immigrants, they'll work, labor, meaning a job they could find, and then ask the other job if it's okay to sleep in front of their house or outside of their house or in their corridor all the way. And then when they need to use the bathroom, they are allowed to go in there or take a shower. Anyway, that's is the story of all immigrants. All immigrants. We all came from humble background. You could trace it back all the way to the history of humankind, all the way to Adam and Eve. We all have. We all came from humble background. So, I'm not gun for anybody, but Lagaja is no. We all came from that. If you scratch your own ancestors, 2, 3, 4 deep layers, you will find that they came from humble background. But the Lagos elite were able to accommodate a lot of those people because they understood too that their foreigners somehow, somewhere, way back then came from humble background. So when they will be going to events, going awala benimoba, or if there's Muslim occasion, they're going to Eid. The main elite will be on a horse, and they'll cut attire for all this group of people that follow them within their unit or group. So a lot of those people are from Kwara State. And people from Kwara State, by nature, they are very humble. They're hardworking, very humble. So it's easier for Lagosian to assimilate them into their agboles as tenants or as whatever it be. But they from my experience growing up, they were one of the most humble Yoruba lineage. So the elite, like Sanni Adewale, the father of I.S. Adewale, the Jinadus, Raji Ettis, this elite group, they belong to the group, they call themselves Egbe Wooling Club, Wool, Wooling, Wooling, African, wearing wool, because human being, that's what human being does. What is not common is what elite will use to show off. So Egbe Wooling. So each of Egbe Wooling, I'm allowing Egbe want to bound loss Etti. So Sanni Adewale will be coming all the way from Ologbo area with their horse, and then the troopers, they will be singing behind them with his attire that is had for his group. The Jinadu with on his horse with his attire that he has for his group. Raji Etti, he too, on his horse with me and my buddies, we're going to go to Eid prayer. But when Raji Etti group is coming, you will see, oh, that's Raji Etti group coming with their attire. So that's where that comes from. Fila today. So they'll cut particular fila for those people, particular gap for those people to wear. Fila today, the Raji Etti ni ewu to wo. The Raji Etti ni Raji Etti okota wa Judah. So now you know where that lyrics line. What that lyric line meant, or where it's going with it. Okay, so let's hear the music itself. Àríṣe làríkà, àríkà bàbá ìrègùn. Ní àríṣe làríkà, àríkà bàbá ìrègùn. Sanni Àríṣe Làríkà, Àríkà ní bàbá Ìrègùn. Sanni is Raji Etti's friend. Ani Àríṣe Làríkà, Àríkà bàbá Ìrègùn. Owó ṣe ládàbí o, àgbà lónìí ládàbí. Ọmọ fún wa Abalábọ̀dé Sanni ọmọ àwa òkì. Owó ṣe ládàbí o, àgbà lónìí ládàbí. Ọkọ fún wa Abalábọ̀dé kíta ní ọkọ àwa òkì. Ẹ̀kí fàílà ọkọ àwa òkì. Òrò márò òrò iye epo. Olúwa tó dágún á fún láṣọrò, yàrá mi tó dàgbò á ṣèwó ẹ̀. Tọ́mọ ẹlòmíì lórí ẹṣin àṣegbèsè ló fi ń ṣẹ̀ṣọ́ròde. Gèlè àgbààgbà lórí ọmọ yẹn. Fìlà tó dé tí Raji Etti ní. Pẹ̀lú tó wọ̀ tí Raji Etti ní. Iyanda Raji Etti mi ọkọ táwa Júdà o. Iyanda Raji Etti mi ọkọ táwa Júdà o. Owó ṣe ládàbí o, àgbọ̀mú wa Abalábọ̀dé kíta ní ọmọ àwa òkì. So now you guys got it. So a lot of artists use this Abibu. They recycle a lot of these songs in this particular track. Fìlà tó dé Raji Etti ní, ẹ̀wù tó wọ̀ tí Raji Etti ní, ọkọ táwa Júdà o. Àrò ṣe ládàbí o, àgbà lónìí ládàbí. Ọkọ fún wa òrò márò òrò iye epo. Àríṣe Làríkà, Àríkà bàbá Ìrègùn. You see those lines recycled by a lot of Sakara artists that came after him. They use that line, they recycle it. It doesn't mean they're not good. You just have to lean on the foreigners till you can sprout. And once you can sprout, you'll be able to find your own blessings. Once you reach maturation. Which reminds me of another line of Abibu Oluwa's song, where it says, Àkókò kò sùn á kò rí, àárọ̀ dẹ̀dẹ̀ kò sùn á kẹ̀dọ̀, bólóbùrú bá kò sùn á kọrùn. When those birds get to maturation, their coloring will blossom. If you don't believe me, go listen to Lefty Salami. Go listen to Yusuf Olatunji. You will see that they blossom. Once they can use the forerunner, use that bill as a crutch to get going. But once they got going, they found their footing and their voice, they blossom. Àkùkọ kékeré kò lè kọ bí àkùkọ ńlá. Until that àkùkọ get to be maturation, boom, they blossom. Go listen to Yusuf Olatunji and Kasumi Chola's drum beat. he will know that they blossom. Go listen to Lefty Salami. You will know that they blossom later on. You guys, which means we should always respect our forerunners. Don't cast them aside. You can always learn from them. You guys remain blessed. Don't forget your do-re-mi. Oh, the drum beat on this one is Buckner. So it's rhythmic. It's rhythmic. It wasn't saying much. It was pretty much rhythmic. Your do-re-mi. You guys stay blessed. This is Jammal Adewale and Baba. Leave comment. Or give me ideas on what else to tackle for you guys.